Today's ingredients are 1 beef heart, Dale's marinade, Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, jalapeno slices, and beer. We have rinsed and dried our beef heart, and now we're going to just take off some of the silver skin and some of the excess fat around the edges and make sure that all these little connective tissues are taken out, as many as we can get. I like to take off the silver skin because it can get chewy. If you've made beef heart before, leave a comment and let me know how you prepared it. Beef heart doesn't have the texture of liver. This is definitely more like a steak. Okay, so we've cut the beef heart into several strips of steak. As you can see, they're various shapes and sizes. And the next thing we're going to do is get these set over here and let them dry off a little bit more, and we'll make up the marinade. Okay, for the marinade, we're going to use Dale's seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, some minced garlic, some jalapenos, and some beer. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is put in some Dale's. About probably half the bottle, maybe a little more. This is 16 fluid ounces, so that's probably 10 or 11 ounces. Okay, next, we'll put in the beer. Probably about half that can. Got a small beer, probably be almost the whole thing. Now next, we're going to put in a big old spoonful of garlic. And we're going to put in good pour of Worcestershire, and we're going to put in several jalapenos, and we'll pour some of the juice in there. Now, just so you know, this won't make the meat hot if you're worried about that. It's going to add flavor. And this marinade really isn't to make the beef heart tender. It's a tender cut of meat. It's also kind of flavor neutral because it doesn't have a lot of fat in it. So what happens is that the marinade will infuse some flavor into the heart and make it taste better. And it'll help to make it a little more tender as well with all the sodium that's in the dills. Okay, so now what we'll do, put our beef heart in the this bowl here has a lid. We'll add a little black pepper. And then we'll pour the marinade over the heart. Put the lid on that and we'll refrigerate it overnight. And we'll be back in the morning. Our beef heart has been marinating overnight, and we're going to take it straight from the marinade and put it on the grill. I have the right two burners completely off, and the left two are on low. After about 5 minutes on low, we're going to flip these. Remember, we're wanting these rare to medium rare. After about another 3 minutes, we're ready to pull these off. Please like, comment, and share. Okay, now we're gonna plate this heart up. We're having some leftover macaroni and cheese and some baked beans. Take a few pieces of this heart. Please subscribe to the channel to help us grow. Okay, now we'll take a look. As you can see, it's pretty rare. That's how you want it. And there you have it, grilled beef heart. Thanks for watching.